learning a lot. Today my topic is highest common factor, means HCF. What is HCF? First of all, we will discuss about it. The greatest number which divides two or more numbers exactly without leaving any remainder is called HCF. Highest common factor means if we are having two numbers, first of all we will find its factors, then common factors, and in the end we will write the highest common factor, and that will be the HCF of those two or three numbers. Now our first question is, find the HCF of the numbers. Explain what is common in all. The first part is 12 and 48. 12 and 48 are two numbers and we need to find the HCF. HCF means highest common factors. First of all, we will find the factors, then the common factors, and then the highest common factor. For factors, we will write 12 over here and 48 over here. We will find the factors by multiplication method. 1 is the factor of every number. You have learned this earlier also. 1 12s are 12. 2 6s are 12. 3 4s are 12. Our next factor group will be 4 3s are. That is repetition. Where the repetition starts, stop there. Now 48. 1 48s are 48. 2 24s are 48. 3 16s are 48. 4 12s are 48. 5 is not a factor of 48. Next is 6 8s are 48. Next is 7. That is also not a factor. And after 7 again 8 will come. But we have already used. So stop here. Now write the factors of 12 and 48. Factors of 12. Start writing from here. 1 2 3. Now down to up. 4 6 12. Now factors of 48. 1 2 3 4 6. 1 2 3 4 6. Next is 8 12 16 24 and 48. Fine. Now we have found the all factors. Next step is common factors. 1 is common, circle the common factors. 2 is common, 3 is common, 4 is common, 6. And next common factor is 12. So we will write here common factors is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. And finally we will write the highest common factor, HCF. Highest common factor is 12. So our answer is 12. So the HCF of 12 and 48 is 12. Next part is 15 and 45. Same way. First of all, we will find the factors, then the common factors, and finally the highest common factor. Factors of 15 are 1 15s are 15, 3 5s are 15. 145s are 45, 3 15s are 45, 5 9s are 45. Then write the factors of 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15. Next 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. Now the common factors. 1, 3 is also in both. 5 and finally the 15. Common factors are 1, 3, 5 and 15. Next step and the last step, highest common factor, that is 15. This is the answer. So the HCF of 15 and 45 is 15. Dear students, our question was find the HCF of the numbers. We have found. Now explain what is common in all. What is common in these two HCFs? See, these two numbers got the HCF 12 and for 15 and 45 it is 15. What do we observe? See, we got the smaller number as the HCF. We got the smaller number as the HCF. What is common in these two? The smaller number is the HCF of the pairs. Our second question is find the HCF by listing the common factors. This question is same as we have done in the first question. The numbers are 20 and 50. First of all, we will find the factors by the multiplication method or the division method. Then we will write the common factors and finally we will find the highest common factor amongst the all common factors. I hope you can do it yourself. Our third question is find the HCF by listing the common factors. Question is same. The only difference, earlier we were finding the HCF of two numbers and in this question we will find the HCF of three numbers. The steps are same. First, find the factors like this of these three numbers. Then write the factors of those. Then common factors and then the HCF. Like factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Fine. Next, factors of 15. 1, 3, 5 and 15. Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, 6, 9 and 18. Now, common factors. Common means which is common in these three numbers. Like 1 is in all, so this is a common factor. 2 is the factor of 12 and 18, but not of 15. So that is not a common factor. 3. That is the factor of all these three numbers. So 3 is the common factor. Next, 4 is not common, 6, 12. Only 1 and 3. There are only two common factors. And the HCF, highest common factor is 3. Dear students, according to this method only, you need to solve all the questions given in homework. I hope you enjoyed this session.